All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another Advent of Code video. And today we are going to continue with day 3. So far, we've been successful for the first 2 days. Let's see if this strike continues. So day 3 is here. Right, so we will be organizing rucksacks today. Okay. So these rucksacks contain items, and each rucksack has 2 compartments. And all items go exactly into one of those 2. Okay. So each item is identified by a character, which is a letter, either lowercase or uppercase. And each rucksack is defined on one single line. So, both compartments contain the same number of items. So it means the first half represents the first compartment, the second half represents the second compartment. So it seems like this is basically like something like this. This is first half. This is the second. This is the second half. And so on. Okay, the first rucksack contains, so as I mentioned, this is the first compartment, second compartment is here. And both compartments share an item of lowercase p. Okay, and our goal is to prioritize item rearrangement. So each item has a priority given by the value of that letter, whereas lowercase is lower than uppercase. And finally, our goal is to calculate the sum of priorities of the items which are represented in both parts of the rucksack, so in both compartments. So this seems simple enough, we'll see. So let's create a new console application for this day. It's going to be day 031. And I will just, again, as usual, copy some basics. So for now, and I will just adjust the launch settings to say day 3, and I will set it to start a project. So for this specific problem, we will want to, we can actually use we can use a pretty simple link expression. So we will read the input file, and for each line that we read, we will take the first half and the second half, do intersection using link, and then for the intersected letters, we will calculate the value. So basically what we have here is, so we will, for the line, we will take line length divided by 2, intersected with line take last line length divided by 2. So this will give us the letters which are common between the 2 compartments. And then for each of those letters which are common, we will calculate the value. So we'll sum. And for the character, we'll calculate its value by, now it is going to be interesting. We need to, well, if C is lower or equal to Z, then we will return C minus A plus 1. So if it's A, it's going to be 1, and so on. And for the uppercase, we will return C minus A plus 26. So A will be 26. Actually, A will be 27. A should be 27. 7. So this should give us the total value for the line, and we will just calculate total priority. So like this, we should get total priority, and we'll plus equals, because we need to do it for all the input lines. And finally, we will output total priority. And if we run this, oh, right, toString. And if we run this, we should get the value that was there in the sample. Actually, why do I output the result into file instead of just the console output? It's gonna be easier. Okay. It closes. Well, whatever. Sure, why it's closings, and there should be a setting to make Visual Studio from closing. Close. Oh, there is a setting for it now. There should be a setting. Automatically close console when debugging stops. Okay. But it's not checked, so I'm not sure why it's closing. Oh, well, I will resolve that separately, but let's see what the output was for our simple test. So output, so it's 41. Let's see if it matches here. Oh, so that's not correct. So what is wrong there? 41 is not even close. So what has gone wrong? Right. Because in ASCII, the lowercase letters uppercase letters are before the lowercase ones. So what I need is this instead, because otherwise I was calculating some negative values for uppercase letters. So now this should be okay, if I'm not wrong. 157, that's right. Okay, so now we should have the solution. Let's plug it in and let's run it. Okay, so the output is 8093. Okay. And it's correct. Good. So we have part 1 done. And now part 2. Okay. All right. So now we have, instead of we have like groups of free lines, and right. Finding the one item type that is common for all 3 elves in each group. So it means we will take 3 lines and find the intersection between them, and then calculate the sum of those values. All right, let's see. It should be just like not that huge adjustment to what we have already. We will take this, copy it here. Make second day out of it. What was the solution? Yeah, so this is the output. I'll just create a file, output.txt, so I don't have the output here in the repo. But here we will have to adjust this to have 3 lines. So we will, when we read 1 line, it means there will be 2 more at least. So line 2, we will do await, and line 3. Well, actually, we can do it like this. So we read 3 lines at once in the header of the while loop. So we have all the 3 lines now, and we will be searching for intersection between those 3. So we will remove this. We don't care about any compartments now. We have intersection between line 2, intersect line 3, and the calculation of priority is the same. So now if we use the test input just to verify the logic is sound, we should get the value that's in the description. Right, open folder. And we have value of 70, which I think is correct. Yes, that's good. So now let's plug in the whole input file and run it. And we have, misclicked, and we have the output of 2552. And it is correct. Okay, so that is the solution for day 3. So all is going well so far, and let's see how it goes for day 4. The the difficulty of the challenges is increasing. So far so good, but like I think from the challenges 8 or 9 or something like that, it's gonna be quite complex, starting to be quite complex. So it's gonna be interesting how far we get, and also how long will the coding sessions for each of the challenges be, because it's probably gonna increase over time. But anyways, thank you for joining, and see you in the next video when we will be solving day 4. So have a great day and enjoy your weekend.